Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of News and Stuff where we give you the latest update on all things tech. First up is Asus, and they've gone a bit rogue with their launches.
The new ROG Phone 5 features a Snapdragon 888 with UFS 3.1 storage. The Samsung Sourced OLED has thinner bezels and features a 144Hz refresh rate that will make the Call of Duty kill much easier. On the inside, there's a new layout for the 3D vapor chamber to keep things cool and calm. The Pro and Ultimate models come with a ROG Vision Matrix display at the back and feature more air triggers as well. However, as of now, only the base version will go on sale in India on the 15th of April and it will be priced at Rs 49,999.
But that's not all, there's a whole new slew of laptops and a very special desktop as well.
The laptops in question are the new Scar 15 and 17 models. Both can be had with an AMD Ryzen 9 or a Ryzen 7 chipset along with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 or 3080 graphics. They come with IPS level panels with a 300Hz refresh rate for the Full HD option or up to 165Hz for the WQHD option along with other significant updates. The GA35 desktop will be available at Rs 1,99,990 with the Ryzen 5800 and NVIDIA RTX 3070 combo. The laptops start at Rs 1,54,990 and will be available from the first half of April, and the lone desktop will be available only in the second half of April.
Next up is an update from our favorite action cam manufacturer, GoPro. The GoPro app is now juiced up to compile all your pre-pandemic adventures into shareable videos without you having to use a single brain cell. The Quik app crawls through your photos and albums and compiles a video with music and transitions. You can even take matters into your own hands and select the photos and videos you want, along with music from the built-in royalty-free library. You even have a GoPro Mural feature that lets you select the best shots from the library and store them on a private feed. It's free to download and use on a trial basis, post which you can subscribe for Rs 499 a year or 99 a month to get all the features and even unlimited cloud storage. And lastly, ever heard of the kitchen sink approach where manufacturers tend to put in everything in one product? Well, Redmi has done exactly that, including the kitchen sink, but at a very competitive price. After dominating the budget smartphone game, Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi is now taking things a step further with its new smart TV range. You get a 65-inch 4K display that's Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus compatible and also HDMI 2.1 compatible. Its custom patchwork OS has been updated to Android TV 10 and there's 2GB of RAM with 16GB of storage. Now that may not sound like much, but it's quite convincing for a 65-inch smart TV at this price range. The prices start at Rs 32,999 for the X650, Rs 38,999 for the X55 and Rs 57,999 for the X65. Well, that's all we've got for you this week on News and Stuff. Do stay tuned for the latest updates and launches. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.